Hey there, hope you are doing absolutely great. I am Saurav, founder of Aksara Tech Lab, and we have built the best sales assistant for real estate companies. Now, before we jump into the demo, for a moment, think about how much time you and your team spend on unqualified leads, or how much time is wasted answering all the repetitive questions like documents, financing options, or all the post sale support that you have to provide. Think for a moment about the clients that slip away because they didn't got an instant response for their query, or didn't got an instant property recommendation according to the requirements. Now, with our AI sales assistant, we are solving exactly for this. We have built the best AI sales assistant there, which will take care of your property recommendation according to the user requirements, solving their user queries, scheduling calls for you, scheduling property visits for you, and everything else that you require in your business. This AI assistant will be integrated in your website, WhatsApp, Instagram, so we can take care of every channel. Now, without wasting any further time, let me quickly show you how exactly this look like in action. So pay attention. So now let's say the best AI sales assistant in action. This assistant will be integrated on your website, Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever you want. And as soon as user visit the profile, it will get trigger and start having conversation with the user, as you can see on the screen now. Let's say user looking for a property, and our AI sales assistant will start collecting the basic information like if user is looking for to buy or rent the property, where they're looking for, what is the location, what kind of property they are looking for. Are they looking for apartment or a condo or a townhouse, whatever it is, along with the user personal information, their budget. The sales assistant will collect all the information as a human assistant will, and you can see the flow of the conversation. It's not like some kind of integration. It's a friendly conversation, just a human as a human will have with another human. Okay, so one by one, the AI sales assistant collecting all the information required to make a personalized property recommendation, like the location, budget, all of it. Along with the amenities required by the user, if there's some interest for that. Now here's the thing. All of this conversation will be saved in the backend as a conversation context. So when your team member or you reaching out to the lead, you will have an idea of what exactly the user is looking for. You don't have to go through a whole conversation. You will just have few points, 3 4 points for the user requirements. So you can just go through that and talk with the lead. So we are providing the information about the time zone required for the moving into the new property. So as the AI assistant have collected all the information, it's also asking for the contact number along with the mail ID and all of those details. Now, as you can see, I have made a mistake on the contact number, right? And it's asking for it again. Got it. Yeah, as I said. So we'll provide the phone number again. Right. Now, along with this, it will also make a property recommendation. Like we can set a automation on the backend. So as soon as we have got the user requirements, we will mail them all the recommended properties. Also, you will see the property recommendation in this chat too. All right. And once the sales assistant have seen that there is a interest of the user, it will start asking them to schedule a call with the expert or sales agent, real estate agent. So like it will be like you will not even have to lift a finger, and the sales assistant will be doing all the work for you, from giving property suggestion, getting the requirements from the user, scheduling calls for them, scheduling property visits for them, answering their queries, as I said before, right? All of the things will be taken care of. All right, you see, now it's asking for the time, best time for the call. That's it, 7 p.m. evening. Now we are constantly improving this agent so we can give you the best experience possible. We are working on the transcripts, the conversation flow, everything, and trying to add as many features as possible. Alright, you can see we have the recommended property according to the requirements too, right? Along with the confirmation for the call. So here is the thing, guys. Along with all of this, it will take care of the again and again questions that user asks regarding the documents and financing. We will build a knowledge base with you, it and the sales assistant will use all of that knowledge base to answer the user queries. And this is how it looks like in action. So literally without you lifting a finger, our AI sales assistant will do all the conversation with the clients, with the leads. The user might visit your website in the night whenever they got time, whatever. Our AI sales assistant will be working 24 by 7 to helping them out while you don't have to do anything. All right there. So now as you have seen how exactly our AI sales assistant works, I'm very confident that this will be game changers for your business as well as your personal life. As the time it will be saving for you and your team. And I'm very excited to have a call with you where we can discuss this in more detail. So just let me know your available time slot this week so we can discuss this in much more detail and build this for you too. Again, thank you so much for your time. Let's talk soon.